The Trials and Tribulations of Jack, the Business Owner. Chapter 1. Team Alignment. So, to complete his quest, Jack assembles a team. Krystal, the kick-ass customer service representative. Dave, the deadline crusher. And Mike, the money man. Jack wants to set the course, but unfortunately, Jack's team is beset by the beasts of distraction. They don't let Jack's voice to be heard. Fortunately, Jack has identity by his side that shields them from all the distractions. And Jack can finally set the course for the team. They will now head north. Identity, a private channel to communicate what matters.